three things that come to mind. It's personal growth, responsibility, and sweet spot. So I joined Gore almost 3 years ago, and what I really appreciate is the opportunity of personal growth and the chance to accept responsibility early on. At Gore, the culture and also the leadership structure is designed to develop associates into their most fitting spot from a personal capability, from an interest, and from a business requirement standpoint. So within my fairly short time at Gore, I already had the chance to contribute in different product lines and to help develop strategies on a global scale. Generally, the whole semiconductor industry is very dynamic and operates at a very high pace as the demand for microchips is just increasing constantly. And that's not only challenging for the original equipment manufacturers on the one side, but then also for the whole supply chain and suppliers like Gore to stand that pace and keep up with that pace. But overall, with the measures that we are undertaking at Gore and with the projects that we are working on, I feel really confident that we will also manage this challenge successfully. What I find really motivating and rewarding at the same time is that by providing those ultra-clean cables and cable assemblies, we as Gore play a very crucial role to state-of-the-art manufacturing of microchips that enable things like AI, IoT, 5G, and much more. So we are truly improving life here as semiconductors are integral to how we live. And as an application engineer, to sit on the ultimate interface to our strategic customers and to provide cutting-edge solutions to their needs, together with the best team at Gore, that makes me very proud.